Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the keyboard has at least 20% charge or is connected by USB-C so it won't die during pairing. Turn the keyboard on and press its pairing button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This puts it into discoverable mode. On your computer or phone, open Bluetooth settings and enable Bluetooth, then start scanning for new devices. Once you see Microsoft Designer Compact appear, don't connect yet, stay ready for the next step. You now select the keyboard from the scan list. Tap or click Microsoft Designer Compact. If a PIN or pairing code appears, compare it to the code shown on your computer and accept or enter the numbers. This secures the connection. Once you confirm, the devices exchange keys and finalize encryption. This may take a few seconds. Make sure the keyboard's LED changes from flashing to solid or your device shows connected. If you see that, you're almost ready to type. Proceed to finalize settings. You finish by testing the keyboard in a text field. Type a few words to verify layout and function keys. If keys look wrong, change the input layout in your OS settings to match your language. If the connection drops or doesn't appear within 1 minute, turn Bluetooth off and on, reboot both devices, then repeat pairing. As a last resort, reset the keyboard by holding the pairing button for 10 seconds and try again. This clears prior pairings and often fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.